Okay. A lot of y'all, for years, especially in this season, are asking me, Zavi, what you doing? How you do it? What you got going on? You look good. You work hard. What's... I make sacrifice. Y'all, I take the steps instead of the elevator. I start taking the steps more. Seriously. And my office... And my office is on the 3rd floor. Okay? Top floor of the building. And I take the steps more than I take the elevator. My health. I eat less. We be eating too much. Too many meals per day. I ain't say too many snacks. I said too many meals per day. Okay? Stay focused. I eat less. I eat different. I drink a lot of water. Now, career-wise, and ladies, tip, when you take the steps, it's okay to take a moment before you go through the doors to get your breath together so you can still be cute. You saw me take a pause. Slow down a little bit. I know life has had us at a place where all we had to do was grind. Listen, I'm talking to my 35 plus ladies. You know who you are. You did it. Just define yourself, develop your routine and the new version of yourself, okay? And it does not require you to go as fast or as hard as you were doing in your teens and in your 20s, okay? God really had to start slowing me down like 2 years ago. It took 2 years for me to be able to communicate this and actually be able to be doing it. Y'all be asking me how, okay? Y'all be asking me how. This is how. I have learned how to say no to a lot of things, okay? No matter how much they twinkled and shined, I learned how to say no because I have to operate in alignment, okay? I have to operate in spaces that require me. Hey, how are you? That require me, right? That God has mandated me to divide my time within, okay? That's important. All right. So I'm gonna turn my light on. Doctor, is he in here? He not in here. I'm not gonna turn my light on. Ain't nobody gonna come through here. I just had to still be here. My face is a little glossy over here, I know. But so yeah. That, right? My time, my alignment. I don't say yes to everything. And for my kids too, right? You have to have boundaries, and you have to know how to put them, enforce them without being rude or disrespectful as well, or inconsiderate, right? Of the things that you do need to put at top priority versus whatever. So that's one. That's another one. I mean, time frame. Yeah, that's the biggest thing, honestly. And then. Oh, I still have a 9 to 5, but even when that's done, sometimes I still go home and work. Oh, that's crazy, right? For my own business, sometimes it looks like I clock out at 5, and then at 5:01, I'm working in my own business, and I have to do that as long as I have to do that, if that makes sense. Some of us look at this situation like, I'm not gonna be a slave. Okay, well, somebody got to lay the foundation. Somebody has to do the work. Somebody got to put the sweat equity in. Somebody got to get the skin in the game before you start to operate like one of these businesses out here that didn't have to get it out the mud, that was born into a lot of money, that is an old money business. You feel that's not true. It won't me. So, so that's how I operate. And you, honestly, it's not nothing that college can teach you. It's not, you have to be born with it, and college polishes you. Like any other form of education beyond being born with it and putting yourself in an environment where you continuously be poured into in different capacities for this thing. Outside of that, you can read all the books in the world. But if you aren't born with the get up and do it, if you not, I don't even know, if you ain't born with the juju, So anyway, outside of me actually like holding a course for specific things like time management, organization, customer service, health and wellness, which I have K.I.S.S boot camp, outside of you actually like dissecting and going through each one of those programs or professionally with me, this is the best that I can give it to you, like in a 5 minute 30 something second video. That's all. Like, I don't know, the biggest thing is that I pray every day, all day, and I ask God before I do anything, even before I made this video for y'all. Like, before y'all even see me, I prayed for the environment you saw me in. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know, but I'm not going to spend too much time like trying to make it make sense to people. Either you get it or you don't. Listen, what I identify is that life is not going to wait for either of us, right? We have a little bit of grace, a little bit of mercy to get it right a second time, but life is not waiting for any of us, right? So with that being said, the most valuable thing I have in life is time. This is why I can identify with a lot of successful people, really, really successful and wealthy people. They don't really want things. They don't obtain financial wealth for things. They obtain financial wealth and security for freedom. Access. Go figure. Hey, baby, listen, most expensive thing on the market. You understand what I'm saying? And the most valuable too. So anyway, all right, about 6 minutes now. Run up on 7. Listen, share this video with somebody who may need it. Okay, I have a program called K.I.S.S Boot Camp. That's for women. It's a 14-day program. The program starts on June 6th. It's a very, very impromptu session that's happening right now. But please join us. We're going to have a celebration at the beachside. Okay, learn more information by searching K.I.S.S Boot Camp, y'all. Again, share this video with somebody who may need it. If you are in need of any business services, whether it is to talk about a business idea that you may have, or if it's to register a business and get it legal and up and running, or if it's to expand your business, franchise it, open up other locations, or, you know, create new products or services or programs, whatever the case may be, I am here for you. Make sure you connect with me, y'all, okay? By the link in my bio section or down below. I don't know. But, yeah, thank you for helping me help God help this channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.